Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Claude Code on your Hostinger VPS. Wait, you didn't know you could install Claude Code on your Hostinger VPS? Let me show you how. The VPS that I'm using in this tutorial is running the Ubuntu operating system with N8N. So this is just the standard install of the self-hosted N8N template on Hostinger. To install Claude Code on your Hostinger VPS, you want to go to the official Claude Code docs page. I will leave a link in the description. In order to use Claude Code, you must have a Claude subscription and be on either the Pro or the Max plan. So the free plan of Claude does not work with Claude Code. You must be on either Pro or Max. As of January 2026, Anthropic and the Claude Code team simplified the method for installing Claude Code. The old method required npm in Node.js. The new method uses a native installer. All you need is one simple command that will install Claude Code. So if you are reading instructions that tell you that you must install Node.js, those are outdated instructions. So you're going to scroll down to step 1, install Claude Code. The Ubuntu operating system is Linux. So if you have your VPS set up like me with Ubuntu in the self-hosted version of N8N, you're just going to copy this curl command right here. So you can copy it by just clicking this copy. Now that is copied to my clipboard. And we're going to return to the Hostinger VPS. And if you do not have a Hostinger VPS yet, so you can run N8N and do so much more. It is awesome. I'm going to leave a discount link in the description so you can try out Hostinger VPS. So back to the tutorial. When you're in your Hostinger VPS dashboard, you're going to launch the VPS. So I'm on the overview tab, and now we just need to launch the VPS terminal. So I'll go in the top right and click on terminal. That's going to open up the terminal in a new tab in the browser. And I'm going to clear this space so we have a nice fresh terminal to work in. I'm just going to type out the word clear and tap return. I am in the home or the root directory of the VPS. You don't have to create a Docker container or a separate folder for Claude Code. You're just going to install it right in the root directory. So all I'm going to do is simply paste in that curl command that we got from the Claude docs. That's it. I'm going to tap return. Setting up Claude Code. Installing native build last. That is the new way of installing Claude Code. Claude Code installed on your Hostinger VPS. One command, and it took a total of about 10 seconds. Depending on when you watch this tutorial, you may or may not see this setup notes. This has to do with the fact that the Claude installation has recently changed to the native installer. But this new native installer puts Claude Code in this .local bin. And the problem is, it's not really a problem, but it's saying it's not in your path. So on the VPS, there's a path or an order of directories. Now Claude Code is in this .local bin, so it doesn't know to look in this .local bin. This command is going to make that possible. And just to confirm it, we're going to first run Claude. If I type Claude and tap return, you can see the command is not found. Remember, it's in this folder. It doesn't know where it is. It's not looking there. If I do Claude space -- version, same thing. Command not found. Okay, so now we're going to run this command right here. I'm just going to copy it. Command C, Command V, we'll tap return. Didn't look like anything happened, but let's run the same thing. Claude space -- version. How about that? We now see Claude Code version. I'm going to make some space in the terminal by just typing out clear. And now let's run the Claude Doctor. This is just Diagnostics. This is just kind of a best practice just to make sure that the install was okay and there's nothing wrong. So I'm going to run Claude space Doctor. Everything looks good. No warning message. We're good. And just tap enter. That's going to take you back to the command line. Now this is not a Claude Code tutorial, but you can always type Claude space -- help. It's kind of confusing, but that's going to show you a bunch of commands in Claude Code. And if you ever want to just get back or clear the terminal, just type clear. And in step 2, we need to log into your account. So you can do that by just typing out Claude. And Claude is what you do when you want to launch Claude Code. So back in the terminal, I'm just going to type in Claude. And now it's prompting me for a couple of little customization options. You want to be in dark mode, light mode. I'm going to stay in dark mode. Choose the login method. You're going to use either your Claude Subscription, Pro, or Max plan, or if you're a developer, you can use the API usage or a third-party platform such as Amazon Bedrock. Probably most of you are going to choose this first option to sign into Claude with your Pro or Max subscription. So again, you use the arrow keys to select. I'm on 1. I'll just tap the return key. The browser should open where you can sign into Claude. If it didn't, just copy the URL, Command-C, and paste it in the browser address bar. And now we need to give Claude Code permission or authorization to be on our Hostinger VPS. So click the button Authorize, and then you're going to see the authentication code. So click the button Copy Code. That is going to copy it to the clipboard and then return to the Hostinger VPS dashboard where we're going to paste in the code in the terminal. After pasting the code, just tap Return or Enter. Login successful. Nice. Press Enter or Return again. Now it's telling us that it's accessing the root directory. Do we trust this folder? Absolutely. Tap 1. Yes, I trust this folder. Congratulations. You now have a fully working version of Claude Code on your Hostinger VPS, and it is even running the latest and greatest Opus 4.5 model. Nice. And just be aware, you are sharing your Claude subscription. So if you're using Claude Code on your VPS, that is eating up your credits and tokens that you might be using on your computer. It's one account. So if you wanted to go down to a smaller model than Opus so you didn't use up all your credits on your VPS, you could change the model by doing the /, then just typing out model. If you tap return, that is going to give you a list of the models that you can use. I can use the down arrows. You can use Sonnet, or you can use the even smaller Haiku for fastest. Just tap enter to confirm and pick the model that you want, or tap escape. And if you want to test out one of the other themes that you saw in the setup wizard, where you can type / and just type out theme and tap return, and that's going to take you back to that same menu. And again, you're just going to use the arrow keys to select. You can tap enter to select a new theme, or just tap escape. That'll take you back to the main menu. To get out of this Claude Code REPL and back to your VPS terminal, well, you can just type / exit, tap return. Now you can see we're back at the command line. If you want to get rid of this altogether, you can just type clear again. And now you're on your VPS terminal. To relaunch Claude Code at any time, all you have to do in the VPS terminal, just type out Claude. It's going to ask your permission, tap 1, and you're off to the races. What can Claude Code do on my Hostinger VPS? Tap return. This is the part of the tutorial where I want a light bulb to go off. The aha moment. Claude Code has full access to your Hostinger VPS's command line. You now have a super genius developer living on your Hostinger VPS, available to help you 24/7. I'm going to ask Claude Code to summarize the system health of the VPS, disk uses, Docker containers, memory, and anything suspicious. Let's just see what Claude Code comes up with. So this is just checking the general health of the VPS, making sure that everything's running efficiently. Do I want to proceed? I'll tap 2. Go for it. I trust you, Claude. You're awesome. I'll tap 2 again. I didn't read it. Hopefully it's not doing anything bad. Yes, I want to proceed. Whoa, must be doing a lot of things that are scary. Good thing this is a test VPS. I'm not too worried about it. You could have Claude Code send you a weekly health summary so you can see how much disk usage you're using, how much memory you're using, all of the Docker containers that are running. Does anything need updating? Are there any security risks? Check this out. While I am recording this tutorial, Claude found suspicious activity right now, actively. There are 2 IP addresses that are trying to break into my VPS. Claude is telling me that these are automated bots. They are failing, but they are persistent, meaning they are trying over and over again to break into my VPS. And down here in the recommendations, it's telling me that I should install fail2ban to auto-ban these brute force IPs. And that is something that I highly recommend that you all do. Install fail2ban on your Hostinger VPS. Claude is telling me all I have to do is run this one command, or I can say, can you install fail to ban for me. Fixed. Fail to ban is running, working, set. Please update N8N. Are you starting to see the power and the usefulness of having Claude Code installed on your Hostinger VPS? You can even have Claude Code help you install or clone GitHub repos. If you want to run a project on your VPS, you can vibe code with Claude Code and have it build apps and websites and anything you can think of on your VPS. Maybe you're exploring your VPS dashboard. You go to the Docker Manager and you're like, what is this new catalog thing? And you're like, what? I've got all of these apps that I can install in Docker containers on my VPS? And maybe you click one, and you're like, oh, I don't know what all that means. I'm just going to try to find another one. Don't have to worry about a thing. Claude Code can help you install these for you. Claude can even help you install OpenClaw. The personal AI assistant that took the internet by storm is available in the Docker catalog for you to install, and if you're not sure how, just ask Claude to help. Now, I use the SSH client Termius to be able to connect to my Hostinger VPS remotely using SSH. Well, Termius also has an iPhone app. So I can open up Termius. I am now connected to my VPS. But if I type in Claude, have one, I am now connected to my VPS running Claude Code on my iPhone. How cool is that? So when you want to exit Claude and go back to your Hostinger VPS terminal, all you have to do /exit, and now you're out of the Claude REPL. You'll see you're on the command line. If you want to clear the space in the terminal, you can always just type out clear. And now you're back in your VPS, and whenever you want to relaunch Claude, all you have to do is open up your VPS terminal, which you can do right in the dashboard. Just click on terminal, and then you're just going to type in Claude. I'll tap 1, and now you're back in Claude. The quick recap, how to install Claude Code. All you have to do, sign into your Hostinger VPS dashboard. On the Overview tab, go to the top right and click on Terminal. That's going to launch a terminal window. You're going to go to the Claude Code docs, link in the description. You're going to go to step 1, install Claude Code. You're going to go to the native install. That's the recommended install. Mac OS Linux, you're just going to copy this command, copy it to your clipboard, click the little icon to copy it, go back into the terminal, paste it, tap return, and just follow through the prompts. You're going to sign into your Claude Code, make sure you're on the Pro or the Max. That's all you have to do, and then you can start enjoying and using Claude Code on your Hostinger VPS. My name is Mike Murphy, your AI handyman. Cheers.